Hello, today we're going to study expanding double brackets. I'm Dr. Issam and let's begin. Our learning intentions for today are to be able to expand double brackets. Expanding is when you write an expression without the brackets. When you have a term directly in front of the bracket, it means everything inside of the brackets is multiplied by it. So everything in the second bracket is multiplied by everything in the first bracket. So for example, we have x plus 1 and in brackets, and then we've got that multiplying x minus 2 in brackets. So this means that x has got to times by the other x, and x has got to times by the minus 2. Then we have to times the minus 1 by the x, and the minus 1 by the minus 2. So let's work this out. So x times x is x squared, x times minus 2 is minus 2x, then plus 1 times by x is plus x, and 1 times by minus 2 is minus 2. Next step is we collect like terms. Collect like terms. So we have an x term here and an x term there. So we've got x squared is equal to minus x minus 2, because minus 2x plus x is just minus x, minus 1x. And whenever we don't write 1x, we write it as just x. Here's another example. So we've got x plus 1 in brackets, and then we've got 2x minus 2 in another bracket. So x has got to times by the 2x, and the minus 2, 1 has got to times by the 2x and the minus 2. So we get 2x squared minus 2x plus 2x minus 2. Collect like terms. Well, here we have a minus 2x and a plus 2x, so it ends up with 2x squared minus 2. Because those x terms cancel out. What if we had x plus 1 all squared? Well, we can write that as double brackets. So x plus 1 times by another x plus 1, because it's squared. Now we're in the situation which we know how to deal with. X times by that x and x times by that 1 times by the x and 1 times by the 1. So it would be x squared plus x plus x plus 1. Collect like terms. These are the like terms. So we've got x squared plus 2x plus 1. What about another example? This is a special case. So we've got x plus 2 and x minus 1. Let's see what we get when we expand this. So x times the x times the minus 2, 2 times the x and 2 times the minus 2. Be careful with that sign, you've got to include that minus 2. So we get x squared minus 2x plus 2x minus 4. So that collect like terms, we get x squared. If you collect those like terms, when they just cancel down to 0, and x squared minus 4. So this is a special case called the difference of two squares, because this x squared is a square and 4 is a square, and so it's the difference between them, so it's called the difference of two squares. It's a very special case, and it's when you had x plus 2x minus 2, you end up with a difference of two squares.